Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the hidden messages in corporate filings. Today we're going to dive into a report from Fly Group Inc., and it seems like they've been doing some significant shuffling behind the scenes. Before we dig in, if you like getting straightforward insights from these massive corporate documents, make sure you're subscribed. And come hang out with us on Discord. The link is in the description below. Alright, let's get into it. This is a Form 8K filing, which typically means something important and immediate happened that the public needs to know about. For Fly Group Inc., this filing centers around a vote by their shareholders. The key date here is the 13th of October 2025, and it looks like this report is providing the results of a shareholder meeting that happened on that very day. This is Fly Group Inc., and they are incorporated in Delaware. Their stock is traded on the Nasdaq Stock Market LLC under the ticker symbol FLYE. They have common stock and it is worth a nominal amount, 1 cent per share. Now, an interesting detail to note is that Fly Group is an emerging growth company. This status often means they are subject to fewer regulatory requirements, but it also hints they might be a younger, potentially faster growing entity. The heart of this report is about a special meeting of stockholders that was initially planned for September, but was postponed to October to make sure enough people showed up to legally make decisions, which is called achieving a quorum. The record date for this meeting, meaning whose shares counted for the vote, was also updated. The main event at this meeting was a proposal to approve an amendment to their corporate charter to allow for a reverse stock split. Now, what exactly is a reverse stock split? Imagine you have $10 bills, and the company decides to take them and exchange them for $100 bill. It doesn't change the total value you hold, but reduces the number of bills. For a company, this means reducing the number of outstanding shares. They are looking at a ratio anywhere from 1-for-2 to 1-for-20. Why would a company do this? Often it is to boost the stock price. A low stock price can make a company seem less stable, or might even risk being delisted from major stock exchanges if it falls below a certain threshold. And the shareholders overwhelmingly approved this. We see a massive number of votes in favor, 17,313,674. There were some votes against, 187,237, but that is a very small fraction compared to the 4 votes. Only 4 abstentions, which is practically nothing, and 0 broker non-votes. This means that when brokers held shares on behalf of their clients and hadn't received specific voting instructions, those shares didn't cause any issues for the vote count needing to be finalized. This indicates a very strong consensus among the voting shareholders. And down here we have the signatures confirming that the company is officially reporting these results. Joe, the Chief Executive Officer, signed off on this report on the 16th of October 2025, just a few days after the meeting. Looking at this filing, the key takeaway is that Fly Group Inc. shareholders approved a reverse stock split. This is a strategic move, likely intended to increase the per share price of the company's stock. While this doesn't magically make the company more valuable or profitable on its own, it can make the stock more attractive to institutional investors and potentially help the company avoid delisting. The overwhelming support from shareholders suggests confidence in management's strategy, or at least a desire to see the stock price improve. We will be watching to see how this reverse stock split plays out and if it has the desired effect on the company's market perception and trading performance. What are your thoughts on this reverse stock split? Do you think it is a sign of strength or a desperate move? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more corporate analysis. And don't forget to join our growing community on Discord. The link's in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.